In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always win eBay bids. We're focusing on one proven technique, sniping. That means placing your single, maximum, highest possible bid in the final 5 to 10 seconds of the auction. The goal is simple. Leave no time for others to react with a counterbid while letting eBay's automatic bidding system work in your favor. First, understand how eBay's proxy bidding works. You enter the most you're truly willing to pay, and eBay will automatically bid for you in small increments up to that limit. If your maximum is higher than anyone else's, you win, often at just a bit above the second highest bidder. Sniping pairs perfectly with this system because you keep your maximum hidden until the last moments, avoiding a bidding war. Before the auction ends, decide your real ceiling. Factor in shipping, taxes, and typical sale prices so you're confident in one firm number. The power of sniping comes from committing to that number and avoiding emotion. Have your account logged in, payment method ready, and a stable internet connection. Sync your clock or use the official app so the countdown you see is accurate. Open the item page a few minutes early and keep an eye on the timer. Now for execution. With about 10 to 15 seconds remaining, type in your absolute maximum. Don't nibble upward and don't place an early bid that tips your hand. Wait until roughly 2 to 8 seconds left, then submit. That timing balances two things. It's late enough to prevent rivals from responding, but early enough to overcome any brief lag. If eBay asks you to confirm, do it immediately. A helpful tip is to use a slightly odd amount, like $50.03 instead of an even $50. That tiny difference can beat a competing max at the same rounded number. Once your bid is in, resist the urge to click again. Let proxy bidding do its job. If you win, great. You likely paid just above the second highest max. If you lose, that means someone else's maximum was simply higher and you avoided overpaying in a last-second frenzy. A few final cautions. Practice this on a low-stakes auction to get comfortable with the timing. Don't rely on spotty Wi-Fi at the critical moment. And remember, sniping doesn't break any rules. It just minimizes the time your competitors have to react. That's the entire method. Decide your true maximum, hold it back, and place it decisively in the final seconds. Master this rhythm, and you'll dramatically increase your win rate while keeping your budget under control.